welcome to the Palazzo. We'll have another video soon about why we haven't posted in a while, what's going on. It's gonna be interesting. But for today, I'm waiting for our giallo forno, or our yellow oven stove range, to be delivered. In the meantime, we have a bunch of sabbia. This is being used in the floor of the Casa di Ospiti. It's part of the sort of cement mixture that they're doing. And unfortunately, this is also blocking the way to where we're putting appliances. Let me show you. Okay, sorry, I'm spinning around a lot. This door here is one of the doors that this actually will end up being closed. We're going to build a bookshelf behind this, a magic bookshelf. Sorry, covered the lens. We're going to build a magic bookshelf behind these doors so that it can be removed if we ever want to open this door back up. But this looks like it's been swept and it's sabbia, but this is actually like a cement. That's an initial layer. After they took the whole floor out, we decided that was the best option. We'll be looking at a wood or a wood composite to put in there. And so for now, what I'm trying to do is spend some time while I wait for the delivery guy to move this out of the way over here so we can wheel in our yellow forno until we can install it. So let's see what it looks like. Also, there's other appliances already in here. We have a frigo, refrigerator, a washer, dryer, and a little dishwasher. So I'm gonna arrange those things too. Let's see how it goes. All by myself today, no problem, I got muscles. Well, whew, you can see all the dust flying. So we've got our washer and dryer in there, but still lavastoviglie, which is the dishwasher, and this is the back of our lovely higher, what do they call that, refrigerator. And this is where they're gonna bring the oven in. So we're gonna try to get all of this into there so we can shut the doors and not worry about it. Let's see how that goes. All right, so we got our appliances in, and I did it all by myself. And it really, things aren't that heavy. I mean, I am a superwoman, but I didn't need to engage those powers. But let's just keep that a secret and not tell Matt, and maybe he'll make dinner tonight. I don't know, just keep it between you and I. Okay, I have a little time to talk about appliances while I wait for our giallo forno giallo, our yellow oven to arrive. Very excited about a yellow oven. I mean, haven't you always dreamt of having an oven ever since you were a little kid? Anyways, I'm very excited about it. And I wanted to talk a little bit about appliances. I'm standing in the front hall waiting for our delivery. So every once in a while, you're gonna hear some cars. Think of it as atmospheric. So you may have seen in the previously when I was showing you the moved appliances that we have a dryer, and you may have also heard that it is a very rare sighting of a dryer in Italy, and that is very true. I've actually come to enjoy hanging my clothes out to dry, with a few exceptions. One, when I need something right away, and that is always the day that it is cloudy and overcast and rainy, so you can't hang it out in the sun. In the summer, the sun does dry it in like 3 minutes, it seems. And then the other time is towels and sheets. I mean, sheets aren't bad. You just miss that softness of a dryer. Everything's very stiff. And if you think about like all the fibers on a towel, like the parts that dry you off, those are all stiff. And so it is not an enjoyable, I have to introduce Sicilians to soft towels. And they don't have to change their ways. They just have to understand why I want a dryer. And that is why. And I don't need to use dryer sheets. I think actually at this point, just rotating things in a dryer are going to make things softer. So yes, we do have a dryer. We have a small dryer. This is also a house that's likely going to be used for guests after we live there. We'll be living in that part of the house until this part is finished. And it's mostly probably Americani, and Americani aren't used to hanging everything to dry. So yeah, we got a dryer. We'll see how that goes. We'll also be adding one to ours for the same reason, also because we have a number of bedrooms, and hanging out sheets, if we filled the house with 7 beds, would be, I don't have enough clotheslines for that. Excuse me. We also have a dishwasher. Interestingly enough, dishwashers have been in every single place we've stayed or visited or Airbnb'd, and even Airbnbs, which you'd think, like, is it really necessary? If you're only gonna have people there for like a few days, they're probably going out to eat because that's what they're here for. It's Italy. So yeah, we have a dishwasher, but we have a small one. It's a little less wide. I think they're traditionally 60 centimeters and ours is 45 centimeters. And if you've been in college, you've seen these short, small ones. I think you don't see them in the US unless you're actually looking for one. But this guest house is only really it's just 1 bedroom, and we'll probably put an extra bed option in it. But it doesn't need a great big dishwasher, but we did want the convenience of it. Oh, and now you can hear the bells chiming because I think we just hit noon, so there'll be a lot of bells. I hope you enjoy the sound. And then we have a what looked like a little refrigerator. It is little for US standards. It is very big. Okay, not very big. It's big for Sicily standards, especially for a 2-person. But we wanted to have a sorry, can you hear the bells? I'm going to move out here so you can hear the bells for just a second. There's actually 2 churches, so it's like listening to bells in stereo. And it's very nice. I think we still need to get maybe we got our 12 rings. We wanted to be able to put a cabinet cover on ours. So we got a good one that will put up with the intricacies of having somebody else staying at your place. And, oh, there are our 12 bells. I'm getting very interrupted by the bells today. And so we got that. And then we got a very nice oven. Mostly because it's sort of the design center point of the kitchen, because I like a good oven, and because I'm an adult and I get to pick the things I want sometimes. So we did splurge on the oven, but I think it'll be worth it. Hopefully if it arrives today. And that's kind of it for appliances. We will get a microwave, mostly because reheating things is difficult, and we haven't figured out exactly how to do that always on a stove. You know, if your pasta didn't have enough sauce on it before, it's really not gonna have enough sauce on it now. So for the convenience, our convenience, and for our guests, there will be a microwave, but it'll be under the counter, and probably won't get a lot of use, but that's okay. That's fine. Anyways, that's a little bit about appliances. Ours are all now safely tucked away in this dark spot behind me while I wait for the forno. I won't end this video without showing you the beautiful forno. So stay tuned. I mean, don't stay tuned. You're still on the same video. It's gonna come like right now. Well, that's anticlimactic. Well, not really. It is a yellow oven. At least I hope it is. But it's very heavy. And the FedEx guy, yes, I had my stove FedEx, just sort of plopped it in here. And this one is too heavy for me to move. But this here is what it looks like. Cute, huh? So it looks fine, no dents, nothing else. Looks like it's still packaged. It's strapped to a pallet, so I'm feeling good about it, but we'll come back and open it later and give it a good check, and then move it together to its temporary location. I'm so excited about this oven.